This is a digital video of the Duplo DC10000S twin tower. We're currently running a 20 signature booklet, 80 pages, 60-pound offset, 11 by 17. Now, one of the things about setting up these tower type collators, whether they be Horizon, Borg, or Duplo, that when you're running a large booklet, it's important to keep in mind that Tower A always lays its set, that it's collated on top of what Tower B has collated. So you want to try to avoid, like, for example, putting 10 signatures in the front tower and 1 or 2 in the back, because you want to do the opposite. You want to set 10 in the back and 2 in the front, or 5 and 5, or 6 and 6, and 7 and 7. And that way you have a little bit less trouble with marrying the sets. They'll set more equally that way. Of course, when you have 10 and 10, it usually works out pretty well. Anyway, it's real important when you're putting the sets in any of these tower systems to be sure and jog it really well. Don't just throw it in there, because any misjogged sheets will end up in a jam or a miss, or will cause problems when it's going to be delivered. So you want the sheets in there nicely jogged. Make sure that all your stoppers and guides are in there, pushing the set all the way over. And then as you're running, observe to see if you notice that the sets are coming out lined up properly, that you don't have like one sheet sticking way out or way behind the other sets, or sticking out to the left or to the right, because this could indicate either the sets aren't in properly or there could be a problem with that particular bin. Now we're going to go ahead and start running. Now the first set you're going to see is coming out of the main tower, Tower B rather, and now the set out of Tower A. Now if you notice, we're getting repeated back jogging and side jogging. And that's an important thing when you're running a thick booklet. To achieve that, you need to run the collator at slower speed. That's the set exiting out of the folder. And now the set being trimmed. Now this collator has a side kicker with it, and what that is a back. You can see how I kick that one booklet to the side every 5, and you can program it to whatever size. Not all booklet makers have that feature, but if it does, that's a nice feature to have on an extended delivery. This completes our video of the 20 signature 80-page Duplo run. Thank you.